Everyone, so in this video I will let you know about one exploitation, right? The exploitation is that code execution vulnerability. So how we can do that I will do in this video with the practicals, right? And I will let you know how we can hack a website if there is a code execution vulnerability. So basically the purpose is that we can allow, or a website can allow, attacker to execute a operating system command. That means if a website have the like a low security, so on that, in a text box, whatever they provide, we can execute through that operating system commands on their server, right? And we can say like the command may be Linux or Windows, whatever, we can execute that command on server, right? And also we can use the reverse shells if we are able to execute command. That means we are able to reverse shells, or we can connect that system with the our Linux or our operating system. We can also upload any file whatever we want, and we can also like code execution command we can attach, and in like we can attach any command with the resource. So there are multiple things which we can do with the website. So here, as always, I'm using two machine here. This is my Kali Linux. This is the attacker machine. This is Metasploit 2 Linux. This is the target machine. So I will use these two machine. How you can install or like configure Metasploit machine. So I have already covered that in my dedicated lecture. So you can also visit that lecture to install a Metasploit machine. So here, for example, this is the Firefox, my browser, and this is the IP. So this is the Metasploit IP which I have run. You can see this machine IP. So this machine IP is that 192.168.17.135. So this is the Metasploit IP. So through that I am able to get these all website here, 5 websites. So for the testing purpose. So if you want that environment or that lab, so you can also configure that Metasploit, right? So I will test today in DVWA website here. So I will open that. So here you can see um, a tab that is command execution, right? So here is the name command execution, but you can think this is the text box, or this is the submit button. Through that we can submit any information onto the server. So for example, for now, if you are able to execute command, so we will do from that text box. So for now, if I open my terminal in Kali Linux, so what is my IP? So you can search through the if config, right? So my IP is 192.168.175.128. So for checking purpose or testing purpose, you can see here 192. I have picked that IP ping and click on submit. So you can see here the machine is up and we are also receiving the packets, right? So now we will test here. Now I will try to execute our code through that page or that server. So this is the target website as I already mentioned, and our main machine is this Linux, right? So there is a file which I will provide you, or you can here screenshot. So this is the file. So these all are the command according to Bash, Perl, Python, PHP, Ruby, Netcat, which through you can hack a website. So I will use in this video Netcat command here, right? So how can I use? So I will let you know. So you can take a screenshot here. So first, from the terminal here, I will listen a port. I will use, guys, I will use the reverse shells. Means I will connect that my this Kali system with the this browser, or not a browser, this website, right? This website is on Metasploit server. This is the server Metasploit or machine. So here this website is hosted. so hosted, I will hack this website through the my command, right? So for example, I am listening a port here. So, how you can listen? So there is also a command according to my system. So this is the command. If I copy here and paste, so nc hyphen vv hyphen l hyphen p, a port number, port whatever you want. For example, if I enter here, so my machine is listening 8081 port. So if anyone try to connect this port, so my machine will connect from that machine, right? Now I will go to my target website, and I know here I can I can execute my command. So I will execute command from here. I will create a reverse shell for this machine. So for this I have already write a command here. So you just copy. So this is the IP. I will let you know. This is the IP of my machine. This is the IP of my Kali machine, right? So this is the IP of Kali machine, and this is the port which are we are listening here. So you can see here we are listening 8081 port, right? So I will copy that and put onto the my target website. So I know my target, on my target I am able to what I am able to execute the command. So I have this is my IP, Kali Linux IP, this one, and this is the command which we put here to reverse shell. If I submit here, you can notice that if I click submit button here, I am clicking submit button, click on submit. So if you notice here, my machine is connected to this host, that the code execution vulnerability. So that is called code execution vulnerability. What I have do, I have I know on this website I'm able to execute any command. So that's why I in my machine I was listening the port 8081, and then I execute this command for my machine, for my Kali machine, right? And click on submit. So on that time I was listening the 8081 port. So now when this command execute, so this machine will connect with my Kali machine. So you can see here I am able to connect this machine, right? You can see here this is my IP 192.168.175.128, and this is the target IP. So I am connecting to this. If you can see, if I use any command, I use ls, so you can see I am able to read that file whatever they install on server. If I uh, use the pwd, like to know about where I am or current directory, so you can see I am in the where www.dvwa vulnerabilities execute. So I am in this folder. So now you can I think, I hope you are able to understand, I can execute any command because I have access of the this server, this website server, right? So I can do anything from here. I can upload any file, I can write any file, uh, whatever I want, I can do anything because I have full access of this server, dvwa. So that is the like, this is the basic. Basic means if there are multiple site uh, which have these this type of vulnerability, right? So there are multiple sites which have this type of vulnerability, so you can try on that. But you can understand this website have the low security patch, right? There is a low security, not a high security. If there is high security, you will not able to. So on low security, but there are multi in the world, there are multiple websites, so you can hack that which have low security, right? So this is how we can hack a website through the code execution. You can test this with your target, or you can create a lab with your own local system and practice on that system. So that's all in this video, and I have already covered other file execution vulnerability, or how we can hack a website through the file execution, in my previous video. So if you want to look at that, so you can visit also that. I will share that in my description, the link in description. So this is all, and I will let you know in next video, like other video, how we can hack a website. So you can also subscribe my channel to look another video. So thank you guys. This is all.